Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this spool storage that we got recently on Amazon. In this video, I am going to talk about some of the things that I really like about it and one important thing that I think you should know before buying it. It was very easy to put this together. The instruction was really clear. It took me a while just because it comes with all these little parts, but in terms of being difficult, it really isn't. It's very, very simple. So the pipes are made of PVC, but it's a very strong PVC. We live in a very hot area and we've had this for a while now, and as you can see, it looks still pretty good. The fabric too also looks very, very good. It hasn't faded, which is nice. We got the blue and then we realized, oh, maybe the blue color is not a good idea, it's gonna fade. Not really. It has been good so far. As you can see, it looks brand new. The area inside, I feel like it has a pretty decent amount of space for the floaties. As you can see, we have this huge thing which is like our daughter's little car. We have another floaty right there, a bowl, and you still have some space to put some pool noodles here, and I feel like you can add more floaties in this as well. I think this is a perfect size. We didn't want anything super bulky and big. You also have some storage on the sides. You can put towels or I don't know, any other pool stuff that you need. And overall, I love this. I think the quality is very good, especially for the price that you're paying. And the one thing I said in the beginning, I think you should know before buying this is, you know how it comes with those little wheels that you can move around. I don't know if I was doing it wrong. I couldn't really attach the wheels to the bottom. They kept falling, so I just took them out. As you can see, we still use it, no problem. I personally don't think that we would need the little wheels. We're not gonna be moving this around. But yeah, it was a little bit annoying, but I don't think that's something that it's gonna stop us from using it. And yeah, again, overall, I think this is pretty good. The quality is really good, especially for the price that you're paying. The size is decent. And yeah, if you're thinking about buying one of these, you should definitely look into it.